How y'all doing? Today, we're cooking. We got prawns, we got spaghetti, but then the question is, what kind of sauce? All right. Get some olive oil, pour that in there. Not too much, just a little bit. Salt. Now we need to do the prawns.
Guys, we're deveining our prawns. All right, you're gonna draw one line like this and get it out. Then another one on the side, in the middle. Then you wanna turn this slightly down. This was almost fully clean. There you go. And we're washing these guys. Washington. Let's fry them.
Stir fry oil, blend it with garlic. We'll use stir fry oil, guys, okay?
A little bit of that, like this. Okay, perfect.
So, what do we need for spices? Okay, chili, garlic, and that's it. I'll make it simple. Let's do it.
Guys, about a minute on each side.
Time for some onions. I'm gonna fry onions with garlic. So let's go ahead and just chop into this.
Just a bunch of garlic just in there, you know?
You wanna go in with the cream? Alright, now we have fun with the spices. Garlic lovers. Everything seasoning.
So a little bit of lemon.
More salt. Cayenne. Put some milk in there. Because I have some left, so you know, might as well use it. Everything seasoning. With garlic seasoning. And a little bit of fry seasoning. Let it boil, do its thing, you know. Prawns are right here, guys. Chilling. Okay, so we'll just put this in here. Look at that. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Let's do this. Pasta. Drizzle a little bit olive oil. Get that pasta moving around, you know. Bring it back to life. Look at that beauty. Who's gonna go in with this? Like that. There you go. Big bite. Big bite. Is ready? Here we go. See you guys later. Take care. Love y'all. And thanks for watching. Peace.